Hindi gawain ng presidente yan. Ayaw kong magyabang. I took up, and Lyceum could show the records. Marami akong kinuha about foreign affairs and foreign politics. I studied geopolitics and political thought. I was under Jose Maria Sison. Ayaw kong mag-insulto. Inumpisahan mo eh. Kung tinawagan mo sana ako, hindi ka makatanggap nito. Ikaw, putang ina ka, hindi ka nakatapos hanggang second year college ka lang. Dumaan ako sa lahat ng taga-foreign affairs. Undersecretary Ingles, si Ambassador Terona, Viana, si David Rapos, then si Maria Sison. Kaya kung sabihin, mas marunong kayo sa akin. Alam kong ginagawa ko. Diplomatic and consular, master ko po iyan, dumaan ako dyan. Let me be very clear on this. We have not conceded anything to China. There might have been exchange of control over the China Sea. Pero those were really territorial in nature, not involving the encroachment of China in their exclusive economic zone. Iba yun. Yung sabi nila territorial, we are studying it still until now so that I can give you a concrete picture of everything. Ang problema lang nito, maraming hindi naman they are not party to any of the discussion at itong biglang gentleman's agreement with Xi Jinping. Nobody in the Philippines today, either the Supreme Court, the Presidency, or Congress, can concede anything about territories. Hindi gawain ng presidente yan. And ang ano ko lang is even this stupid ex-Justice Carpio is harping on a gentleman's agreement of which certainly he was not there, and is beginning to expound on the consequences of the resort or whatever wrong there was committed in the agreement. Aside from the fact of having a handshake with President Xi Jinping, the only thing I remember was that status quo. That's the word, na walang galawan, no movement, no armed patrols there, as is where is, para walang magkagulo. Hindi tayo magkagulo. Yun ang naalaala ko. Wala akong there's a new word. I do not even know the Ayunan sure. Ito si Carpio and the rest of the I think he's trying to be relevant. He's a retired justice, a not so brilliant one, which he pretends to be. Nawala naman siya doon. And I assure you that if it was a gentleman's agreement, it would always have been an agreement that would keep the peace in the South China Sea. Huwag ho kayong maniwala yung bulatik nila Kasi hindi ako ganun kagago. You know, ayaw kong magyabang. Kaya bakit ako tumagal sa AB, sa Lyceum, is because after my political science course, I took up, and Lyceum could show the records. Marami akong kinuha about foreign affairs and foreign politics. Sabi ko hindi ako nagyayabang. I studied geopolitics under Professor Obiana. I think he's still connected or retired from the Foreign Affairs Department. I was under Ambassador Terrano sa Terona, I'm sure Ambassador Rosalinda Terona sa geopolitics ko, pati sa many subjects about foreign policy, foreign affairs. I had my diplomatic practice and procedure doon sa kay David Lapos, and political thought I was under Jose Maria Sison. You know, nagturo sa amin, ewan ko kung mas may bright pa doon. Kaya sinasabi ko, it would be good and it would be healthy for Carpio to just shut up and not muddled up the things of which I was not there. Hindi ko naman siya kinukondemn. Pero sa amin yan, tinatawag, in our parlance, pakatorpe na nga itong putang ina. I will be expounding more the day after because I just received the old documents of Malacanang about foreign policy noon sa panahon ko. I just got it tonight. I want to review it and the different agreements that were entered into by myself and the Defense Department, sila Lorenzana. Lorenzana played a crucial role, a role that was something that was, well, sinasabi ko sa kanya, you handle this, especially matters that will govern the movements of the gray ships. Wala pa namang gray ships dyan sa, you know, yun ang binabantayan namin noon, the entry of the gray ships. Pero walang nangyari. There was never a time that we sent the gray ships in China and China sent theirs. Ano yung gray ship? When we talk about gray ships, we are talking about warships. Ang nangyari dito sa China all along was a coastal guard, coastal patrol. So, hindi naman hanggang ngayon, but there are misconceptions perpetuated not by us. Well, itong nasa gobyerno na napakamarunong. Hindi naman ako, no. It's the act of the president. Correct. But behind that act of the president, I will educate you. Hindi akin yan lahat. I cannot make a move relative to the security of the country without asking the military and the National Security Council. Yung agreement na yan, kung totoo, nasabi ko na sa mga military yan, you should not keep anything secret when you're talking about the national security. Ang mga military, nandyan talaga yan. Nandyan man si Anyo. He was my national security advisor. Advisor mo yan, Bongbong. Tanungin mo kung mayroong bang gentleman's agreement. Aywan ko, ayaw kong mag-insulto. Inumpisahan mo eh. O tinawagan mo sana ako, di hindi ka makatanggap nito. Ikaw putang ina ka, hindi ka nakatapos hanggang second year college ka lang. Dumaan ako sa lahat ng taga Foreign Affairs, Undersecretary Ingles, si Ambassador Terona, Obiana, si David Rapos, then si Maria Sison. Doon ako medyo kaya huwag mong sabihin, mas marunong kayo sa akin. Alam kong ginagawa ko. Diplomatic and consular procedure. Master ko po iyan, dumaan ako dyan.